Welcome to Lakeland College's Vermilion campus. I'm Asia and I'm so excited to show you some of the highlights from this campus. Lakeland's been around since 1913, so we have some roots. We started out as the Vermilion Agriculture College, but now Vermilion is much more than agriculture. Come on, let me show you. Students come to Vermilion to study agriculture sciences, human services, interior design, environmental sciences, trades, or emergency response. No matter what they're coming to study, they all start their journeys here in Alumni Hall, the heart of campus. If you need an IT wizard, a tutor, the bookstore, a hot meal, or just a quiet place to study, you can find all that and more in Alumni Hall. What sets Lakeland apart? You don't just sit in a classroom, you do what you learn, because at Lakeland, we go beyond the classroom. Whether it's the 3,700 acres of crop and pasture land on our student-managed farm, powered by New Holland, the fields, forests, and wetlands on and around campus, or connecting with the local business community on projects and practicums, our students learn by doing. This campus is made up of a network of experiential learning spaces with high-tech labs for environmental sciences and trades, design studios, live fire training grounds, classrooms built for collaboration, and more. Wherever you're building your skills or learning something new, our faculty are right there with you, helping you figure out what you want to do and showing you how to get there. We all know that college is more than a classroom. It's about living and the connections you make with others. Our campus has a vibrant social scene with chill spots like the Quad and the Arboretum to spurs where you can unwind. There's always something going on. Join the Students Association, swim or work out at the rec center, join one of our many clubs, or get involved with our rustlers. And the best way to be a part of campus life? Live here. Residence is your very own home away from home. And living on campus is one of the best ways to meet people, make memories, and even be able to roll out of bed late and still make it to class on time. And the best place to nap on campus? Your own bed. So if you're looking for a place to belong, to actually get your hands dirty building your future, you'll find it here. Want to see more? Come visit. Book a tour. We would love to show you around.